Hi, this is the beginning of the reading practice from chapter 48, exercise 1, and what I wanted to do as I talk through this today is just show you the different ways things can be translated. So I'm going to give you a really literal translation first, and then I'm going to give you a really colloquial translation afterwards. And the thing that we need to start thinking about and realizing with translation is that both of them technically are correct. One might be more literal, but in the end the language is about communication. And so you have to figure out what the connotation of the words means and try and render a translation that gives the right feel for the language. So really literally, just at the beginning. Lucius. Ave Gai, bene valeas Luci, quid agis? Omnia recte se habent, quomodo te habes. Gratulor tibi sucut mihi, sed judicium habeo. Typo. Ad quem? Ad quaestorem? Non ibi, sed ubi ad proconsulem? Ibi. Quale est ipsa res? Non valde magnum, est enem pecuniarium, ut omni videas, si vocet tibi, veni nobiscum, judices diem nobis dederunt, quae hodie est, et sententia dicetur. Quare volo te praesente de causa cum advocatis tractare. So if we go back to the beginning of this passage, really literally, I'm just going to talk through it. Lucius says, Hail, Gaius. May you do well, Lucius. Literally we have, may you be well, and then bene is another well, so may you be very well, perhaps, Lucius. Lucius. Quid agis? What are you doing? Gaius. Omnia recte se habent. All things correctly, rectus, recte, right, adverb, all things correctly have themselves, reflexive of omnia. Quomodo te habes. Quomodo, in what way, habes, do you have yourself? Lucius. Gratulor tibi sicut mihi. I am grateful to you, just as to me. Or I rejoice. I like rejoice better. I rejoice for you, just as for me. Sed judicium habeo, but I have a court case. Judicium can be a court case in this case. Gaius. Ad quem? Ad quaestorem? Before whom? Before the quaestor? Lucius. Non ibi, not there. Gaius. Sed ubi, but where? Ad proconsulum? Before the proconsul? Lucius. Ibi. Gaius. Quale est ipsa res? What sort of thing is this? Literally, what sort of thing is this thing itself? But I mean, what sort of thing is this is probably fine. Lucius. Non valde magnum. It's not, valde is another adverb, very magnum. It's not very big. Est enem pecuniarium. It is, for it is of money things. It's about money. Ut omne videas. So that you might see everything, or with the result that you may see everything. You can decide exactly if this is a purpose or result. It's not totally clear. Si vacat tibi. Vacat literally is it is empty for you. If time is empty for you. Veni nobiscum. Come with us. For judices, the judges, dederunt, gave a day, diem, to us. Indirect object, right? The judges gave a day to us. Which day, quae, goes with diem as the antecedent, which day is today. And the sententia, the verdict, is spoken. Today, implied. For which reason, quare, I wish, now remember wishing always takes a complementary infinitive, I wish to discuss, tractare, to drag out, to manage, to handle, to talk, cum advocatis, with my advocates, with my lawyers, de causa, concerning the case, te praesente, with you present. So there's a very literal, simple translation. But if we wanted to give something more colloquial, just as correctly, you could translate this passage as follows. You could say, Lucius, what's up, guys? Lucius, hope you're doing well. Lucius, what are you doing? Gaius, everything's good. How about yourself? Lucius, I'm happy for you, just like me, but I have a court case. Before who? Which judge? Not there. But where? Before the Chief Justice? There. What is it? No big deal. It's a money thing. You can come and watch. If you have free time, come with us. The judges gave us a court date, and it's today, and the sentence is going to be spoken. Putting down the verdict. And so I want you to be with me when I'm talking to my lawyers. Notice, they convey pretty much the exact same information, but when we change the register of speech we're using and try and be a little less literal, you get a much different feel to the language. And so this is just something to think about as you're trying to translate different things.